BCD to 7-segment display. So a 0, 0, 0 displays a 0, a 0, 0, 0, 1 displays a 1, a 0, 0, 1, 0 is 0, 0, 1, 0 displays a 2, a 0, 0, 1, 1 displays a 3, a 0, 1, 0, 0 displays a 4, a 0, 1, 0, 0, 1 displays a 5, a 0, 1, 1, 0 displays a 6, a 0, 1, 1, 1 displays a 7, a 1, 0, 0, 0 displays an 8, a 1, 0, 0, 1 displays a 9, and that's all we care about, because the rest of the states we don't care about, since it won't display 10, 11, 12, 13, or 14, or 15. So it counts in binary, so it all works. Back to 0, 0, 0, and a 0.